To World Geography with M.Adnan. Today's tutorial is related to zonal statistics as a raster did. As you can see, I'm already done. Wait a minute, here is some mistake. I'm remove it because I have changed its name. No, so that's why it's will be open like that. I first need to change its color. Here we need to check in the temperature. Here we need, as you can see, we already get the maximum temperature from two raster data. One for the NDVI, which we divided into 4 classes, like a no vegetation, medium and a high. And here is our LST of that area, which we need. So we already get the maximum. So now we get the minimum, and we're showing you how to we use the zonal statistic as a raster. So first I change its color. On the low vegetation we keep it yogo blue. Like here no vegetation, so maximum here is a water, and maybe there is some piece of land where no vegetation found. But on the second one there is a low vegetation, which we keep that color. And here we keep the medium color, which is called medium apple. Okay, and for a high vegetation we keep the leaf green, like that one, leaf green. Okay, so here we get the final image of our NDVI. Now we going to find. Now, as you can see, maximum is here. So you can just see we obtain it from this one data. Here you can see the last value is 25.3 and maximum is 30. So here you can see 30.27 and 30.27. So this only showing you maximum. Now we get the minimum value of our area. So let's start it. Zonal statistic as a not a table, as a spatial analysis, this one, where we get a result in raster form. So now we select of which we area keep, like NDVI and classes wise. Okay, so here is a LST, and now we don't need the mean one, we need the minimum temperature. Okay, we give it the output. Here you can give the single values, and we also make a tutorial on our next video, which is showing you the raster zonal statistic as a table, where you keep all the values of your zones. Here we just keep the minimum temperature. Okay, now just simple okay, and it will run, and it's showing the minimum temperature of our area. So I'm skip the video, it will take time. Yes, today it's performed very well. As you now can see, it will be whole black, but now we classify it. As you can see here, the lowest temperature is that one, which we already on the LST one, that is a 20.7, and the highest according to that, this is a 21 from this one. Okay, now we classify it on a 4 classes according to our vegetation. So it have a maximum 3, no problem, we keep it in a 3. And now we give its color to lowest one is here on the top, which we give the color light one. Then this one like a orange, and the highest one will be red. Okay, so as you can see, here the minimum temperature, which we showing by the red color, that will be the temperature where the vegetation. As you can see, all the vegetation is here. This is a minimum, because in the NDVI the water have a less temperature as compared to the vegetation. So you can see the green color will be appear there where the water body is present. As you can see here, the water body according to NDVI. Now, as you can see, this color showing the water body, so it's mean the water have a minimum temperature as compared to the vegetation. So I hope you will understand it, and it will help you as a zonal statistics as a raster. Thanks for watching.